Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. You know why? Read up your history.
Greetings, my gentle people. You see this video you see right here? This person is from Guyana, saying that rice and peas do not belong to Jamaican. Saying Jamaican taking up rice and peas is not originated from Jamaica, is Guyana. Jamaican thief it from Guyana. That's what he's saying right here. Really? Rice and peas? Alright, guys.
Tell you something. This is for educational purposes only, right? Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. You know why? Read up your history. Due to the slave trade, Jamaica did not have food. Jamaica was a very, very poor island. And Guyana had to supply them with rice and beans. You understand me? Not even coconut tree. Not been a grow at Jamaica. Guyana sent coconut. So when all these produce reach to Jamaica, them Jamaican people say, you know what? Me go put the peas, me go put the rice, and me go put the coconut, and me go make peas and rice. Jamaicans need to thank Guyanese for showing them what peas and rice is. Yes. Do your history. Only thing Jamaica had is ackee, and ackee just kill you when you eat it. You understand me? I said a saltfish. All them things what they eating in Jamaica. Is Guyana make Jamaica know about peas and rice? Google it. Yes. Me not joke. I shooting me attack. Yes. Peas and rice. Jamaican. Me not know where they come out with that. A Guyanese make Jamaican people know about peas and rice. Yes.
You're right. Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica. You hear your own story, you see all the stuff we add to it and make it better. We make rice and peas do it better than what the stuff where you are talking about. So listen here, sir. Listen here, you. Okay? Look like you want a medal or you want attention for what you do. So here's your attention. Ta-da! Your bumbuckler, peas and rice now. Because a little coconut milk to your stuff and cook it better, brother. It's not about who do it first, it's about who do it better. And yeah.
Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica.
Boo! This is what I do not appreciate with most of you Jamaicans. You guys do not like the truth. Well, if you don't want to cancel my Jamaican card off of this, I do not care. My mom always tell me, say, son, speak the truth. Speak it forever. Cost it what it will. And to them you ever speak the blood clot truth. The she in person is telling the blood clot truth. Peas and rice is for them theirs. So Lord is something people them to talk when them attack. Ask them claim peas and rice. Rice and peas is for Jamaica. You know? No, I'm out. Blood clot.
Please go ahead.
Something. This is for educational purposes only, right? Peas and
I tell you what I know that video you have to clout because you're supposed to know that in Jamaica and can't argue with you about peas and rice. Because we don't eat peas and rice, we eat rice and peas. Rice and peas. Argument done up who fight you over the truth. You're right. I want to say peas and rice. We never why you can't give me peas and rice when we don't say peas and rice? We never say peas and rice. That sounds weird. That even sound right. Rice and peas we say. Be sure you bad so we know you have to clout. So me edit the post now and me hashtag. And me hashtag rice and peas and me see thousands of users come up. Me hashtag peas and rice and me only see 6. Come on, brother man. You're wicked now.
It's like saying, bam!
It's a garbage bomber clock, woman, we attack. Eh? If you have a blood clot, grinch to pussy clot. I mean, even if you're a man or you're a woman, you like you take both man, woman, dog, you have to be blood clot thing.
You know why?
You're a garbage, you deserve to go in that pin. Guy, I know where fuck on that, you know. And to make sure you're not claim that you have crosses in, you look like an alien to blood clot. So you're tough.
And Guyana.
So this lady you see here, she's a wonderful, nice, beautiful Guyanese. She's from Guyana. She come to explain to you guys and apologize also. And guys, you need to listen to this lady because she got a lot of history to teach right here, right now. Watch this.
Please, go ahead.
To my Jamaican brothers and sisters, I want to offer an apology on behalf of all Guyanese. I'm sure that you saw the video where a Guyanese is claiming that your main ingredient for your rice, pea, and coconut milk, coconut, was sent to you from Guyana. Now, my father was a history teacher, and so was I. I taught history at CSEC level. I may not have the dates correct because it has been a long time, but I want to clear something up. During the transatlantic trade, food was brought from West Africa and was distributed throughout the Caribbean and Latin America. This included rice, peas, and coconut. As was the norm at that time, the slaves used the ingredients that were brought from home as well as what they could find locally to create the dishes. In Guyana, we have cocoa rice. If you go to West Africa, you would not find cocoa rice. In Barbados, they have a similar dish to Jamaicans, but it's called peas and rice. And so is Guyana. We cook that sometimes. It was the Jamaicans who created the name rice and peas. That name is unique to them. Now, don't get me wrong, there was a time that Guyana was considered the breadbasket of the Caribbean, but that was in 1956. The transatlantic trade started in the 15th century, and rice, peas, and coconut was already circulated in the Caribbean. And at the time when Jamaica was being ruled by the British, Guyana was being ruled by the Dutch. And they weren't friends, not just to be selling things to each other. I'm not here to upset anybody because Major Hype done upset we with he nonsense 2 years ago. So the Jamaicans, take a big up. Rice and peas is your dish, is your creativity, is your thing. And the ingredients did not come from Guyana. Even though there was a time when Jamaica and the rest of the Caribbean was dependent on the rice coming out from Guyana, it wasn't the time when rice and peas came about. Abomination, no. I wonder if Guyanese is going to claim oxtail now because oxtail is now within. I actually learned about oxtail in America. Bye. Have a good day.
Peas and rice does not belong to Jamaica.
Everybody know this.
Let me tell you this. Rice and peas belong to Jamaica, not peas and rice. You know where you said that it's accurate to Jamaican? So rice and peas belong to Jamaica.
Peas and rice belongs to Guyana. You know why? Read up your history. Due to the slave trade, Jamaica did not have food.
It's water this coconut.
Jamaica was a very, very poor island. And Guyana had to supply them with rice and beans.
Hello. Stop.
Even coconut tree not been a grow at Jamaica.
You know you're stupid. What you really doing? You come to trouble me head or what? Eh?
Well, on there. So what you say now? Jamaica the desert, so Jamaica never had nothing. A piece of sand and rock stone there Jamaica. So what you try to tell me? So you know so you're full of shit like man crab. Yo. Did you know so Jamaica used to plant rice? Did you know that?
Guyana sent coconut. So when all these produce reach to Jamaica,
I get to understand what you're trying to say now. You're trying to talk, say the peas also, and the rice and the coconut itself, I want to send it to Jamaica. I want to get it mixed up with TNT. You can't this because the country to TNT, you know, but see Jamaica flagger. Terrace, so no mistake man make. Peanut jet.
Go and drain out your hey.
them Jamaican people say, you know what? Me go put the peas, me go put the rice, and me go put the coconut, and me go make peas and rice. Jamaicans need to thank Guyanese.
Oh, you can't say that. We'll cut out that out there.
For showing them what peas and rice is. Yes. Do your history. Only thing Jamaica had is ackee, and ackee just kill you when you eat it.
You don't look somebody in the eyes and say that.
You understand me? I said a saltfish. All them things what they eating in Jamaica. Is Guyana make Jamaica know about peas and rice?
Wash up your blood clot.
Alright, let me say something real quick. Let me talk about the ackee, right? You say that the ackee is poison. So what you saying? Jamaican people body immune to poison? Because you know the ackee and saltfish Jamaican national dish. Or you want to claim ackee and saltfish also come from Guyana? Yes. Jamaican used to get rice from Guyana. I don't know if they're doing it same way or what, I don't know. So I had a friend from Belize and I asked her something about her culture and she said that they have peas and rice in which they use coconut milk, just like how you guys call it peas and rice. So rice and peas belongs to Jamaica, peas and rice belongs to you guys. So don't get it twisted, right? Love Topic TV.
You serious?